Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable a language translation option on Facebook post. Go on your right upper side and click on the three dots icon. After that, choose the settings option. Then on the preference list you have many options, but you need to select language and region. Now as you can see, you have five different options that have only that you need to choose the second one. Language into you'd like to have post translated. You need to choose the language that you want to be able for translating on your Facebook post. For example, here I'm gonna choose English. After that, I need to go on the save button. Go back. And now guys, you know how to enable language translation option on Facebook post. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.